Heyo Wheelers! Welcome back to my channel. This is Maestro Hil, your traveler for today. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Villa Jovita is currently trending on social media due to their Bali-inspired decor. You'll think you're in Bali because of the natural splendor that surrounds their resort. Yes, you heard it right. Bali is located in Batangas. Welcome to Villa Jovita Resort. How to get there? Take a bus DLTP at Buendia Bus Terminal bound to Lemery. Your time travel is 3 hours. After that, drop at the bus terminal in front of Central Mall. Take tricycle beside the mall and tell the driver to drop you off at the Villa Jovita Resort. Your travel time is 30 minutes. If you want to spend less, take a jeepney bound to Agoncillo and tell the driver to drop you off at Villa Jovita Resort. You will pay 300 pesos for day tour in Bali Corner. Temperature check. Villa Jovita is considered as Bali of the South. You don't need to go to Bali to take an Instagram-worthy photo. In reality, Villa Jovita did an excellent job of constructing this Bali haven. Tourists go to Villa Jovita for its calm environment and riverbank books. Now, there are more even reasons to visit Villa Jovita. Aside from the Bali motivated corner, the resort has 5 normal pools. The most profound is at 5 feet. Villa Jovita has non-chlorinated swimming pools. A refreshing dip in one of their pools, especially with all the bamboos and a view of the river nearby, will make you feel rejuvenated. The resort has a bahay kubo equipped with a fan. It can accommodate up to 10 persons.